Hello everyone, welcome to my channel C Tech. Here I am your Siddhant Sharma. Today I have brought one of the smart mirror, so I am going to unbox that one. Let's see what's inside this one. This is 360-degree rotating LED table mirror, so I'll unbox this one. Okay, this is very useful for doing makeup for the ladies and for TikTok videos also. You can make TikTok videos from this one, so I'll unbox this one today for you and I'll set up this and I'll show you how it works for you. Okay, so here is the plastic one. So there is this mirror is here. Okay, so this is the mirror. Okay, and we're gonna keep it like this and this one. Okay, so this is the one. Let's see how it works. This one has this mirror has this protective film, so I'll take it out. So this is like this. I'll open. So this is the stand for this one. So we can, this one has the sucker on the base, so you can attach anywhere on the table or any surface. So this is the one. So see, this works like a ring light for the YouTube videos and TikToker also, and for makeup also very useful this one. So this one comes with the charger. This is the charger, and this one has 1200 mAh lithium battery, so you can recharge it while this battery will be gone. So this is the all one. So see, this is very adhesive to the surface, very hard to take it out. So this is the one. So you can take the pictures, TikTok videos, YouTube. You can see, we can place it like this, and this one will work like a ring light for YouTubers, TikTokers. So this is very useful for this multi-purpose one. So that's all for today. I want to show you this. This is the one. So this one has 360-degree rotating, so you can rotate like this. Anyway, the price of this product is around $10. So in Middle East you can buy in Miniso brand. So there you can go and purchase this one. This one is very, see, this one is the button for this light. That's all for today. Please comment on the comment box how is this product. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe our channel and keep supporting us. Thank you so much.